Hello, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit a two-sided material in Twinmotion. So we'll have a glass facade here, and as we go in, it's white, and it's sort of blocking everything, and we can't really do anything with it. What this is just a one-sided material. If you go over here, it pretty much just highlights the inner layer, and it's just a one-sided thing. So if we scroll over to the miscellaneous tab in the materials section, we should be able to click two-sided, and that would show as a full white thing. Now apply that to glass. So say we have, just say it's striped. But here's another issue. I've clicked the apply to material. What you want to do, so we'll undo that. You'd want to click and hold that and then apply to object. And then let go of the mouse. And then when you redo it, it'll only do just that. Now, it is still one-sided. So we'd go over to two-sided, and then we can see it on the outside, like that. And that'll be very easy, very convenient for especially Windows, since they do need both sides to be clear instead of just one. So we'll redo it again. So it is just like that right now. Then we'll just quickly apply. We'll try it on a new material, just glass, clear glass blue, like that. It is just one-sided. We'll click two-sided, and it is fully modeled like that. Hope you guys learned something, and thank you very much.